how to order a beer in Greek. One beer, please. Μία μπύρα παρακαλώ. One beer, please. Μία μπύρα παρακαλώ. Now you try. You can also say, what kind of beer do you have? Τι μπύρα έχετε? What kind of beer do you have? Τι μπύρα έχετε? Now you try. You can also say, what beer do you have on tap? Έχετε βαρέλι? What beer do you have on tap? Έχετε βαρέλι? Now you try. You can also say, how much is a beer? Πόσο έχει η μπύρα? How much is a beer? Πόσο έχει η μπύρα? Now you try. And that's how to order a beer in Greek.